Hi, welcome to my channel SNS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss time and work. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's see first question. A man can do a job in 8 days, whereas the woman can do it in 10 days. How much time they both take to finish the work? A man can do a job in 8 days. For one day, he can do 1 by 8 of work. The woman can do 10 a work in 10 days. In one day, she can do 1/10 of work. Both can finish the work in how many days? So, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10 equal to 8, 8 10 LCM 40. 8 5 is 40, 10 4 is 40. That is equal to 9 by 40. Both can do in how many days? 40 by 9 days. This is one type of approach. But we are smart learners, right? We need to follow unique approach. Okay. Now I will tell you one more short trick. A man can do how many days? 8 days. A woman can do how many days? 10 days. What we need to do, just take LCM of both numbers 8, 10. LCM 40. This is total work 40 units. Work always denotes in units 40 units. Just draw like this. This is man, this is woman. A man can do 8 days. Man efficiency. We want to calculate man efficiency. We have to divide 40 divided by 8. That means 5. So, man efficiency is 5 units. He can do in one day 5 units of work. A woman can do a work in 10 days. So, we have to calculate woman efficiency. How we calculate 40 by this 10? That means 4 units. If we want to calculate time they both take to finish the work, that means this 5 plus 4, that is 9. 40. 40 divided by 9 days. That means 4 by 9 days. Both can do finish in work in 4 by 9 days. This is a simple way. In time and work, what we have to remember is work always equal to efficiency into time. Here W means work, E efficiency, T means time. Work always equal to efficiency into time. Let's move on to the another question. A and B together can do a job in 20 days. B alone can finish it in 60 days. In how many days can A alone finish the work? I will E can do in 20 days. That means 20. B can do 60 days. 60. Take the LCM of both these numbers. How much you get? 60. This is total work. We want to calculate A, B efficiency. A and B together, that means A plus B. 20 days. They can do a work in 20 days. We want efficiency. How we calculate? 60 by 20. Total work divided by days. That means 3 units. B can do it in 60 days. So, 60 divided by 60, B efficiency is 1 unit. This is B efficiency. If I want A efficiency, I just subtract B efficiency in this A plus B efficiency. That means total 3 units. 3 minus 1, 2 units. In how many days can A alone finish the work? A efficiency is 2 units. Total work is 60. How many days? Total work 60 divided by A efficiency 2 units, that equal to 30 days. A can do it in 30 days. Is it simple easy? You just try it once. Let's move on to the next question. A can finish a work in 18 days and B can do the same work in half of the time taken by A. Then working together, what part of the same work they can finish in day? A can do 18 days. B can do the same work in half of the time taken by A. That means B can do half of the time taken by A. A 18 days, half 9 days. You just take LCM of these two numbers. 18, 9. What is the LCM? Here 18. This is total work. We want efficiency of A and B. A 18 divided by total work 18. That means 1 unit. A efficiency is 1 unit. B efficiency 18 by 9. That means 2 units. What part of the same work they can finish in day? That means both can do the work in how many days? Total 2 plus 1. That means 3. Total work 18. That is equal to 6 days. Both can finish the work in 6 days. But here they are asking what part of the work. That means what part of the work? 1/6 part. If both can do work, they finish 1/6 part of the work. Let's move on to the next question. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C in 8 days. C and A in 6 days. How long would B take to do the same work alone? What we need to do, we have to take LCM of these all days. 12, 8, 6. So LCM 48. This is total work in units. We want efficiency. A plus B. A and B can do in 12 days. Their efficiency is 48 divided by 12. That means 4. B and C. B plus C. They can do work in 8 days. Their efficiency is 6 units. C and A can do in 6 days. Their efficiency is 8 units. How long would B take to do the same work alone? So we add all these, A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. We are getting 2 times of A, 2 times of B, 2 times of C. So I write like this: 2 of A plus B plus C equal to 90. 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. So A plus B plus C equal to 18 by 2. That means 9. A plus B plus C efficiency is 9. We want B. So A plus C efficiency, if we subtract A plus C efficiency, we will get B efficiency, right? A plus C efficiency is 8. So B equal to A plus C efficiency 1. So efficiency of B is 1. We want to calculate how many days B alone can do the work. So total work is 48 divided by B efficiency 1, that is equal to 48 days. B can complete in 48 days. Have a look once. You guys understand? That's all for today. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel SNS Academy. Stay healthy, be happy, keep smiling.